Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the beautiful and inspiring journey of Swati and her mother-in-law Vedvati. Vedvati is 60 plus years old, but even at this age, she is full of energy and courage and started her own business. It all began with love when Vedvati made healthy laddus without sugar and jaggery for her grandchildren. With the same love, she started sharing these laddus with her neighbor, and slowly, this small effort from her heart turned into a growing business from home. So, let's meet Swati and her mother in law, Vedvati, and listen to their journey in their own voice.
Hi, my name is Swati and she's my mother-in-law. Her name is Vedavati. So we are both business partners of this business, which we have just recently started. So it's almost 6 months old. We started this business. Basically, she is my inspiration to start this business. So because of her,
Grandson and granddaughter. First, I started that
for them.
it is all laddus.
So she's my daughter. So for her, she used to prepare. They are professional badminton sports players. So for sports, what nutrition is required. So she used to keep researching that. So then she started making this. So she started making these ragi laddus, til laddus, because all are like so much superfoods, flax seeds, ragi. We keep hearing, but we cannot feed them to kids directly. Even we want to take it, how to take it, and outside it is all adulterated, and like we have sugar cravings, and after 40s people want to eat those things, so it's very difficult. So that's what she started beginning
These
started
all are without sugar, without jaggery.
without jaggery, without sugar. So these products
All
she started making
healthy.
on her own, and promoting it to nearby people in her society, and also people started liking her, giving her orders. That gave her confidence, like that only. So it's very new, but we are hoping to make it a brand. So when we started, it was like how to store those laddus, how much to make. So those are the difficult things we had to like how what is the packaging, and also we don't know, right? So nothing was clear for us. But slowly we said let's start it. So people started ordering. Then we started to figure out like what is that. So what I felt is that there need not be very big business plans, that you need to have everything in place from day one. So if you want to start from home, you can start very little as she started. She just made this laddu, packed in a simple dabba, and like gave it to her neighbor and try. They started trying, and slowly we started figuring out how to get those packaging material, how to procure, and also we are still at a very early stage. But I think we are still learning, and we are meeting those people like who are doing it better than us. So we are learning every day, overcoming those challenges. So managing business and family, as of now, we are doing it from home. So it is like she's doing her from her own kitchen. So whenever she's free, so she's not watching any YouTube and all. So whatever free time she gets, she invests in researching new recipes. Like she will see, okay, let me try this, and also all is her own research and all from her own kitchen. So like she will utilize her free time in doing that. So she's almost 60 plus, but since she's like her mind is active, she wants to do something or so she will manage. And she's not like she's doing not managing family. She's like cooking, doing everything,
Every day
all
morning,
household. All
I wake up at 4 o'clock and till 10:30.
she will sleep, so she will do all
10:30.
household chores.
All everything, and my grandson is also staying with me also.
She's managing her grandson entire her badminton, everything. She goes with her in badminton academy and also
Tournaments,
tournaments, everything.
everything.
His diet, she only takes care. So what nutrition he wants as a badminton player, he's 17 years old. So whatever nutrition and all, so she focuses everything there. So that's how she will like it's her hobby as well and passion as well. So that's why it's like
And
coming
I
in.
love my grandson and daughter. That's
Yeah, so
why.
with that love, she will prepare.
Main thing that one.
So whatever she's making with not business in the mind, it is like love and it should give nutrition. So that's what is I think driving her. Whatever she wants. Till morning today she has prepared all fresh. It's not she will keep preparing and keep it for 2 3 months. She'll prepare fresh. Whenever an order comes, she'll prepare that day only and then give it. To me, she motivates, and my daughter, both of them motivates. Yeah, and being healthy motivates. So if I want to be healthy, I need to be eating healthy. So that's what this I chose, because this is something a brand I can promote, that because I stand for something which is good health, organic. So this is something which I resonate with. So that keeps me like after 5 years, 10 years, how my health should be. It should be eating something healthy, tasty, and all, and that's what I want to promote to others as well. Nowadays, like people are eating so much junk food, falling sick. So why not promote something? So that keeps me motivating. So I want to make Vital Yummies as a well-known brand. So that's like it's there in the shelves of all the stores. All the I mean mainly my focus on all the organic stores, and people are adopting this as a healthy lifestyle choice every day. They are able to eat it guilt free. So that's a well-known brand in their mind. So healthy, sattvic, so whatever you can call it. So that's what should be a brand recall, which is related to health, good health. Yeah. So my message to women who want to become independent is that you have so much talent and skill. Just pick up one of that skill and just cash it. So you would be able to just go out in the market, show your talent to people. Yeah, nowadays there are so many avenues, YouTube channel, you can market yourself via that. Start doing that. Start from your kitchen and then slowly build on it. So nothing is like you don't need a big capital. Just start small. Take that one step.
That's the story of Swati and Vedvati. Vedvati's journey proves that age is just a number and it's never too late to start something new. With love, dedication, and simple idea, she built a meaningful business from her own kitchen. If you feel inspired by her story, don't forget to support and appreciate such amazing women around us. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Thank you.